Here in University of Miami's Experimental Hatchery on the Aquaculture program, we are looking at juvenile flounder, olive flounder that we produce here in the hatchery. These guys are about 30 days old, and this was part of our Aquaculture II lab class. So we have students right now, we are transferring the larvae to another tank. As they're going through metamorphosis, it's a flounder, it's a bottom fish, so it's gonna settle down on the bottom. You can see the larvae in the tank that we have. They're in the water column right now. Over the next couple days, they're gonna transition and go to the bottom. So we're settling them out in another tank, and we're also getting a count to get an estimate of how many larvae we have. Really about hands-on experience. Students doing everything from stocking newly hatched larvae to producing live feeds, so live plankton cultures in the lab that we need to feed them, and transitioning them onto a dry flake. So all of that is part of the lab experience and for them to get a crash course in learning marine finfish larva culture.